In this video, I'll show you how to turn off auto renewal on PlayStation Plus PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you have a PlayStation Plus subscription and you don't want it automatically charge you again when your current subscription expires, you can turn off the automatic renewal directly from your PS5. The option can be a little confusing because you might not see the button that simply says turn off auto renewal. Instead, what we're going to do here is to cancel the subscription. This doesn't immediately remove your PlayStation Plus. You'll keep your current benefits until the end of the subscription period you've already paid for. So let me show you exactly where to find it. From the PS5 home screen, you want to go to the top right and select the gear icon to go to settings, and then go to users and account, select payment and subscriptions, and then hover down to subscriptions. Here you're going to see the subscriptions currently connected to your PlayStation Network account. Select your PlayStation Plus, and then you'll see information about your current membership, including the next payment date. So here, as you can see, there's no turn off auto renewal option. Instead, we're going to select cancel subscription. You might see this message before you go. There's a lot more to discover, and PlayStation will give you some type of discount or something, but still we're going to select cancel subscription. There is one more confirmation, but as you can see on the bottom left, if you cancel, you'll lose access to your benefits on the date that you've paid for. So this is next month for me, and I've paid for 1 month. So basically, I'll still have the PlayStation Plus benefits for a month after I do this cancellation. So now let's select confirm cancellation. You'll be asked for your feedback. You can choose your answer, maybe to help manage my finance or other. I'll select this one and hit continue again. And now the auto renewal is turned off. If you hit OK, you can reactivate subscription or turn on the auto renewal in this menu again. So that'd be it for this video. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.